kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences:
declarative, imperative, interrogative,
and exclamatory.
A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information.
It ends with a full stop. For example, there is a chemical factory nearby.
An imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a wish.
It mostly ends with a full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark. For example, ask the children to get ready for a test.
The subject in an imperative sentence is always in the second person.
It is implied and often not spoken. For example, do not go there. That is, you do not go there.
An interrogative sentence asks a question.
It ends with a question mark. For example, have you read the newspaper? An exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust, and shock.
It ends with an exclamation mark.
For example, what an impossible task that is!